Okay, so today we're at the Birch and we're going to walk around this particular area just to kind of show you what's there in this vicinity, the demographics, and what are the amenities that it has over here. This particular condo is very strategic because it's connected to Sentul Barat MRT station, which are all walking proximity. So the building over there with the red color bricks, right, that is the Birch Sentul. So walking distance, you come over here, and this particular area itself, right, is all very old shop lots. And there's a lot of good Chinese food around here. There's banks. There's basically all the amenities that you ever need lah. And that side over there is actually Rika Residence, which is the one that is connected to MRT, KTM, and LRT station. So in Sentul area, these are the condos that you can consider. So if you're ever at Sentul Barat or Sentul West, right, this is one of my favorite curry laksa. I first had my curry laksa just now. Yeah, freaking good. So if you walk further down the road, there's also KFC. And over here, there's a lot of damn good restaurants as well. So Mata, don't worry. Okay, so this is the commercial podium, whereby it has all the franchise foods lah. Your Coffee Bean, your A&W, your Starbucks, Burger King, they're all around this vicinity. Okay, so this particular location is also very famous for this Third Mile Cafe, right? Which is really not far from the Birch lah. This location is famous for this artisan playground, which is actually by Cook House. So it has all these very famous small little eateries, up and coming ones. So if you come in, it's beautifully designed. There's a lot of good food over here for you to try, right? If I'm not mistaken, there's a cheesecake, cafes, there's also pizzerias and ice cream parlors. So there's a lot of things over here that you can actually try and enjoy. But sadly, this place is rather empty lah. Even though it's promoted, quite nicely done and very well set up. So it's currently 2:33 p.m. right now, and you can see that it's rather empty. But this place at night gets a little bit more crowd lah. So nice, if you have a kitchen like this, right, you can cook your pasta, serve your friends. Also a little nursery over here for the people that enjoys gardening. Very nice. This is Sentul, right? So definitely you have a lot of Indian delicacies. You have your masala tea, the Indian delicacies over here like the appams and all this, right? So definitely something to enjoy lah. So because this area is Sentul, so obviously you're going to have some very beautiful dippos over here. And happy Diwali to all the Indian folks out there. Okay, well Sentul is Sentul lah. Everybody knows Sentul, right? Predominantly, the location over here attracts a lot of demographics from the Indian community, the Malaysian Indian community. As you can see with the area itself, there's like all the Indian delicacies, all the way from the traditional ones to the non-so-traditional ones to your mamas, right? So this particular area actually really got saved by this MRT Barat, this Sentul Barat MRT station, whereby it actually attracts a lot of tenants from all races to actually stay over here because number one, it's rather affordable and the walk to the MRT station is just so close by. So if you're somebody actually looking for something in KL that doesn't really break the bank, Sentul might be for you.